jump, and I said jump, and she hit it right at the correct time. She nailed it.
She's a good girl.
You're wild.
Do you have fun? Are you gonna ride her? Are you gonna make her one of your projects?
Yes, indeed.
You like her that much, huh? She's ready to jump again. Look at her. Go trot a couple fences.
Videotape it.
I'm videotaping right now. Can or whatever.
That explains why you were talking so much.
Yippers. Second day ever jumping. Rope horse, kinda. Dusty out here. Slow down. We'll worry about our leads tomorrow, I suppose. Oh, golly. Oh, that looked great on video. Goofball. Jump a fence. Jump a real fence. I mean, jump something that she can jump without springing it on her.